Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Random Foods. Guys, today I have got 6 different flavors of Shin Ramyun and going to cook all together and find out which one is the ultimate champion. Let's go. I'm keeping 3 liters of water on the stove.
A few moments later.
What is bubbling? Let's drop the noodles. I have kept all 6 different types of seasoning here. Now the noodles are cooked perfectly and I will keep it aside. Here I have got 6 different types of seasoning. Let's start plating. These balls I am keeping it dry because I need it for creamy and stir frying flavors. Now it's time to mix. I have mixed all the seasoning and flavors. Looks so yummy. Now it's time to find out which is the ultimate champion. Now I'm going to the first one. This is spicy chicken flavor. Let's try. The flavor is really good and it's not that spicy. You can handle it. I rate this 8 out of 10. This is tom yum flavor. Let's try this one. It has a lot of vegetables and it's a little bit oily and it has some tangy flavor. It's really good. I rate this 9 out of 10. This is the third one and it's vegan flavor. This noodle tastes exactly the second one and it has tangy flavor but it doesn't have. I rate this 7 out of 10. This is the fourth one and it's black Shin Ramyun. Even this is good and it has some garlic flavor and veggies. I rate this 8 out of 10. Now the fifth one, it's stir fry noodles. Look at this, it looks cute. And look at this, it's so red. I think it will be spicy. This is not spicy as spicy noodles, spicy chicken one. It has some sweet flavor and I rate this 8 out of 10. And the final one, the creamy flavor. Let's have a bite. This is sweet and it has some coconut flavor. I rate this 7 out of 10 because it's sweet. This is the ultimate champion with rating of 9 out of 10. And here's the seasoning and flavor, tom yum. For more videos, subscribe Random Foods.